So, I'm a 8-year type rated.
Yeah, yeah.
Uh, now,
Okay.
as was my background, I'm a submariner. I turned to a commercial pilot. Okay.
All right. Great.
Your question. So, that's the dilemma always there in the aviation market. That whether to go to A320 or go to ATR or Boeing 737s. Now, with the current market scenario, one should has to consider the how many planes are there and how many people are applying for ATRs. People, what the previous trend was that a lot of people start following going for A320, A320, and now now too many people are there on A320. Similarly, too many people are there on the ATRs. But the drawback with the ATR is now is the ratio of pilot looking for a job per plane is higher than
Yeah.
the ratio of people looking for a job in A320. Okay.
Okay.
The last 2 years, this coming 2 years, there's so many pilots who have been left out of the aviation market, who have
Mm-hmm.
separated from the service and not going to be flying anymore with the airlines. So this trend is not yet identified. People have not yet, the companies have not yet announced it because still the market is in struggling phase and not recovered. Probably by next year, once this stabilized, then a fresh job will going to come up. Okay, the chances of getting a job on A320 is higher than ATR always. One reason is the number of planes are higher because all the fleets which are operating as of now are A320 mostly.
Okay.
Why not ATR? ATR has got limited numbers. Alliance has got around 17 aircrafts, and Indigo has got around 25 running, and they've ordered few. So I think they've come up with 40 something, and then 10 more remaining something. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Total, if I count, is around 60 aircraft are there only for ATRs. TrueJet has got two ATRs. Flybig doesn't have a ATRs. It has a 500. Okay. So now the market for the ATR is going to be saturated again. Now you have not chosen yet. You will go for type rating, come back probably, and still wait because market is not going to open. Still. Okay. My suggestions, the answer which you're looking forward is to wait for some time, save your money. It is not that soon that you need a job. Okay, because going for a type rating right away and then coming and waiting is you are going to waste your IR, right?
That is true. Correct.
So and that 1 year is going to lapse very soon, very soon.
Very soon.
I've been working in the corporate and uh, uh, so for me, going for a type rating was quite a mess. To take a 45 days and going for a type rating was a mess. So I did my type rating early because I don't have a time then. Okay, I have a money probably to renew. If I'm type rating lapses, I can renew it also. So money
Right.
constraint is also not there. So those two things are with you. You are not in job and you have a money constraint as well. Okay. So my suggestion to you is to wait for some time.
All right.
Okay. And meanwhile, you can what many aviation pilot doesn't do is that they remain 12th, pass outs and
Yeah.
license holders. So with that, they have a constraint into a second market, entry into second market. If you don't have a job, you can't, have a job in the market with just second qualification. My suggestion would be with you is to take up admission, prepare for MBA, build a plan B, okay, always. Because
Mm-hmm.
education is not going to harm you, whether it is a distance course or a regular course. Do your MBA. At least you are into the market, whether not in the aviation, then into into a corporate.
Mm-hmm.
Also, this MBA is going to help you in a longer time in your aviation career. Also, if you looking for something, right,
Okay.
that's going to increase your credential in the market. Currently, I'm BTech mechanical engineer. I have certifications from IIM Ahmedabad. I'm a certified LLP trainer. I'm a commercial pilot and I'm type rated. So my credibility in
Yeah.
the market, and I'm having a 14 years of corporate experience as well. Okay, I've worked with the Fortes. I've worked with one of the logistic company SCOO. Am I audible to you? Vansh, am I audible to you? Hello. Are you able to hear me, Vansh?
Yeah, I think the network just again went off, I believe.
Were you able to hear me, Vansh?
I was not, but now I am.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
I said that I have a 14 years of experience in the corporate as well. So for me,
Okay.
if I don't have a place in aviation market, then I have a place to work in corporate. So with that
Correct.
side B plan, you should have always. If you ride on a single boat, probably a difficult task because most of the people in the aviation market not doing this.
Yeah.
Okay. Your licenses, I'm also not sure. People saying that the market recovery is going to be little late, but it's going to be very fast. Okay, because people wants to come back to normal, new normal. The moment this corona subsides and market little picks up, then this market will pick up very soon. People start traveling, going, and all that. Recovery is going to come, but it's I would suggest that it is not so sooner. Probably wait for since you are a 12th just pass out, you don't have a age constraint. You have a time on your side. I would suggest you that you should wait, watch, and then decide. 80-20 is a better profile for you to go in. ATR is not a better profile because I have heard that there are too many people are already on the ATRs still. So the ratio of people on the ATR is higher. And now you will have a question that I am not suggesting ATR, but I am also a type rated on ATR. You must be having that question. So I'll tell you why I the ATR is because since I am a chosen aviation. I'm very late of my my career. I'm already 37.
Okay.
So I have already crossed since I've started my commercial pilot, and then for me, A320 is completely closed because latest the most of the airlines, Indigo has an age barrier till 35, and AirAsia is I think 30, and Go is somewhere also 35. Vistara is also 30. So for me, the doors closed. Only entry where I can get into is a government, airlines, which is Alliance Air, which has an age barrier till 45. So that's why I chose ATR. And initially, when I started my commercial pilot, my dream was to join ATRs only.
Okay.
I didn't do. That's what I didn't do for A320. And ATR is not a simple type rating. It is a difficult, double difficult than A320.
It is. Yeah.
Okay. So my suggestion to you is, if people are higher, then the jobs are also higher. Okay. A very simple strategy can work for you is that you first of all start reading or preparing for your second career, plan B.
Okay.
Second, do not do not plan for typewriting as early. You can go for typewriting probably September. Watch another 4 5 months, 6 months. Then go for that.
Okay.
Okay. Uh, uh, ATR type, A320 type are too many people are doing.
Yeah.
Is there's so many places, Dubai, Sharjah, not many people they have got. Even the FSTC is also doing in Gurgaon. So
Correct.
you can decide for type rating. I found the Spain is the best one because the infra is very good. Instructors are top notch. Training is very good. So probably decide for Spain where you want to go.
Okay.
Yeah. And this is not a time for you to do a typewriting. I would not advise you. Save your money for later use and start preparing
Yeah.
for MBA. Probably that is my more advice. So when did you do your when did you come back and have you converted your license and everything?
Yeah, everything is done, sir. I had gone to US in 2018. I had come back
Okay.
in 19, and
Okay.
so I'm done with my ATPLs as well, sir. I'm done with my frozen ATPLs. I'm done with the written as well as the interviews.
Okay.
Also, I got a job offer from SpiceJet as well, but it was on the Q400,
Okay.
and I didn't join Spice because they were they were asking for a lot of money. They were asking for 50 lakh rupees and all that 5 year bond along with the 50 lakh, and it was
See,
honestly a mess. I felt as if I
no,
deserved better.
it's not a mess because I think probably a very short time is remaining. I'll complete that talk.
Yeah,
It's a good option. People have chosen it. There are 76 people doing the typewriting as of now with Spice. But since Spice has promised them a job, so 55 lakh is not a problem. 8-year typewriting and a Q4 typewriting are a little expensive. They're around it goes to 18, 19 lakh rupees. What they're asking for is your money for a bond, which you can give as an loan also. Uh,
yeah, yeah.
I had an option to join Spice, but I've already started my, they gave me offer also, but I was already typewritten on ATR, so I didn't join. My friend is doing right away. People have found it a safer option because once you earn 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 hours, then you're swinging in the market. You don't have to look back.
Correct.
Right. So, because of higher supply in the market of pilots, this kind of things is happening, and people are doing. The companies are doing. They are asking, charging monies for training. Even the alliance is also not giving a free training. They're also asking 20 lakh rupees for your, initial
Oh,
training. Yes.
so sir,
But
you already are into Alliance, or
no, no, I'm
did
not
you
into
have a word with
alliance.
them?
No, no, no. I am not into alliance as of now. I'll be targeting alliance, but they still
Okay.
asking have a process and they're asking 20 lakh rupees, which includes your complete training costs, land training and takeoffs and landing, which you're going to be doing.
Yeah, yeah, base check and everything. Yeah.
Okay, so money is everywhere. Probably, I would suggest that since you have to pay somewhere, even into get into alliance, you have to pay around 20 lakh rupees for a type rating, and then 20 lakhs goes to 40 lakhs, but still the job security is not there. But where Spice was offering 55 but with a job security. Okay, and you don't have to pay at a one stance. You have to pay after some time, which you can have from your job, right? So
Yeah.
I thought that
I still have that offer though.
somebody who have willing to pay was a good option for them.
I still have that offer though. But I was really contemplating if, because the first batch, my friends had got into the first batch. Even I was in the first batch. I deferred it to the second batch.
Okay.
But the people who are there in the first batch, they still are not done with the type rating. India only has one type rating center. That too is in Hyderabad.
Yeah.
And FSTC itself. And out of 22 people, only four people are done with the type rating. So I'm expecting until and unless the first batch is done, the second won't be called. And in between, all the captains will come for their IRPC and all of that. So it's going to take a lot of time. My 20 lakhs, 20 initial and then 35 later on. That's what they're asking for. So my 20 is going to get blocked. And I really don't want that to happen because Spice promises a lot of things, but then in the end, we know how it is. So that is another aspect that I looked into. Dad had a word with the uh, chairman Spice as well as the director trainee operations Q400 as well. He said, "Sir, you should wait. You shouldn't really plunge into this, and you should wait, and we should send your son for a 320." But yeah, I mean, if the top notch.
That's what the indications. Yeah, so that's what I also believe that 80-20 is a better option. You should wait
Yeah.
and you should not be in haste to plan your training sooner. Plan for second career. get an admission in MBA or pay for something good institute. Your license is there with you. You can plan your typewriting 45 days. That's not going anywhere.
Yeah,
But earn your MBA and earn your second degree so that you have something with you.
that makes sense.
Yeah,
I'm doing
give
my
it a-
graduation though. I'm this year will be my last year of graduation. So after this, I
So-
can plan my MBA.
Yeah, plan your MBA so that will help you in entering into the corporate also and earn some years of experience which will help you in getting the job also and give you maturity probably, right?
It makes sense.
Hope I've cleared you all doubts.
Absolutely, sir. You have, sir. You have most definitely.
Okay, probably the time is running already.
It's
More?
okay. Yeah.
5 minutes more?
Yeah, you can go ahead.
Time is about to get over.
No worries, you can go ahead.
So my session, because a lot of people I have met though during my training, people are just focused on CPL, and they don't know anything about the second market. And once the market is not there, even you have seen a lot of people sitting idle without job. They
Correct.
enter into the market. So this is a time that always you should not lose on your qualification because you have a time. If you are, this is your last year, then you should start preparing for a good MBA from a good premium college.
Okay.
Another aspect is that instructorship. Okay, instructorship is also a very good option, provided that you are willing to enter that teaching segment. Okay,
Fashion. Yeah.
but that makes your that makes your entry into aviation little easier because once you earn some hour, you know that you earn some hour, you have instructional hour with you, you have a probably a little easier way into the aviation market. Pure picks you up, but you should be having that much of patience to do training, provide training, earn some hours, and then get into aviation. That is also a shortcut. If you
Yeah.
do that, I think you can do that along with your graduation plus MBA. Nothing stops you. So I think you should also can plan for a backup
I can. That makes sense. I've been
because
trying
it's
to.
not expensive. That's not expensive as well. That is not expensive as well because it is 2 lakh rupees a game, 2 to 3 lakh rupees of game. 1 month,
20 hours.
20 hours,
of
1 month.
pattern. Yeah.
Yeah, 1 month. So I think that's also good to go with you. I didn't do. I again have an age barrier. I can't just wait and go into a
Yeah. So how
For
did
me-
how did you decide to get into aviation after so long? I mean, since you've been like.
So this all together, I made up a mind when I was in IIM Ahmedabad and I was doing my course. I met somebody from a Navy who also planned very late to enter into aviation.
Yeah.
This guidance I just got. I also planned aviation is always my passion. I couldn't get aviation in Navy. I was a mariner. I chose submarines.
Yeah.
Then I decided if it is possible, so I'll pursue along with my job. So I pursued everything along with my job. I didn't leave job. Okay, I used to go for flying on weekends and completed my CPL that way. It took me 2 years to complete, and
Okay.
that.
Where did you do your CPL from, sir?
I did my CPL from a Chandigarh, a job.
Okay.
So my job was in Gurgaon. I used to travel to Chandigarh on weekends and come back.
Oh, all right.
So that was 2 years of work which earned me well, right. But anyhow, there is a hope. If you strategize well, plan well, and stay ahead of others, you can get into aviation. That's not a problem.
Yeah. That is not really the problem. It's just that the
Yeah.
market's really cramped up
Yeah.
at this particular time. Though
Yes.
it ought to get better, which
It
it
is
will,
going-
of course.
It will going to get better. Probably by early next year. Probably we'll have a different scenario, and
Okay.
our market will coming back on foot again.
Yeah.
Because the expansion plan of Indigo is still on hold, and for the A320 as well for ATR as well. So they are going to since the Air India going out of the market, Jet going out of the market. So a lot of international routes has been now vacant, which nobody's flying. It's probably the Indians going to take over, and Indigo is going to take over those international routes is going with the A320 fleet. Okay. So chances of getting higher jobs in A320 is higher than ATR. ATR is going to remain in a regional segment. Okay.
Yeah.
And market is already cramped because there are three players in the market already. Flybig has come, True and
Flybig.
Alliance.
Correct.
And also SpiceJet with Q400. So I would also people don't go for ATR is also because can you hear me?
I can hear you now.
So,
Your voice got cut. Yeah.
So ATR has got a lot of work to do, and no people doesn't really like because it is a heavy workload aircraft.
It is like a large Piper Seneca or something.
Yes. So too many callouts are there, too many procedures are there. So people, and since it is a regional aircraft, every time you have to do on their procedure.
Yeah.
That way, people don't like it. People like to go for an aircraft which they want to fly for probably for a longer time. Is A320.
No. Correct.
So I would suggest wait for some time, watch the market for A320, prepare for A320, and plan for second career.
The Go Air has also become Go First now. They have become ultra low cost, the first ultra low cost carrier of India.
Okay.
Yeah, so they have rebranded from Go Air to Go First.
Okay.
As well. So yeah, they want to compete with Indigo on those terms. They want to become a ULCC so that they can have more volume in terms of sale of tickets, and you've got to pay for everything. So I think a ULCC model would work best in India, even better than the LCC, because people are really looking at the cheap tickets.
Cheap tickets. So my take on your type rating is to wait and go for your MBA.
All right.
Right. Relax. You don't have a age barrier on your side. Right. You can still invest 2 years, 3 years into something else than into aviation and still remain in aviation.
Correct.
Okay. 40 days is not a big time to take a break and go for type rating. Okay.
Makes sense. Correct.
So that would be a great choice to wait for some time and not to be tempted towards people doing type rating and all that.
Type rating, yeah, that makes sense particularly.
Yeah, and ATR I won't suggest a big no because people are it's like a hard theory and hard mindset.
Yeah.
People, following everybody going for ATR. Okay, and they probably don't know that what kind of aircraft it is and how much and how is going to be a ratio and all that. Probably you should. That's why I didn't suggest you ATR on the first go.
Yeah, I understand that now, of course.
So when I was doing my type rating on ATR, people suggested me why I have chosen this, why I have not chosen A320. But they don't know that I have some constraint. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Tell them my constraint as well. So they don't know my constraints of A320.
It makes sense, and I think pursuing your dreams at the age of 37, I mean, age is no barrier, but then, of course, that is also very commendable because, you were already set in a particular field and then you changed it altogether as well. So, but that's really nice. I mean, love for aviation can take you places. It always does.
Yes. So, Vansh, any other query now?
Nothing at all, sir. Absolutely. Everything that I wanted to ask you, I think I've done that already. Okay. So it's a pleasure talking to you, and pleasure talking to you as well, sir. And anything time you want to connect, you can again connect with me. That's no problem. Of course, I will, sir. Okay.
Thank
Yeah.
you. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir.
All right, thank you,
Take
Mohit.
care.